What's up, everybody? Glad to see you here today. We are going to be continuing on the billet of bandsaw blades and 5160. What you missed is I restacked it twice, so I'm at approximately 40 layers right now. I have dressed the edges in hopes that would assist in the next process of twisting it up. And I've also sealed in the edges with my stick welder, just to be sure they don't even start to pop apart at the ends. And we're going to give this thing a twist and see how it does. And then we'll take it from there. Might stack it again, might go to making the chisels that I'm planning on making for a friend of mine. We'll see how it goes. Join me. So I'm letting that billet get at least to welding heat before I attempt to twist it in this here vise. I just want it really, really hot. Okay, so I see one spot where it looks like one of those welds wasn't great. So anyway, I can see that one spot opening up. So there's clearly at least one spot where it wasn't welded good, or it got disrupted too bad from me hammering it too hard after the twist. I don't know, but it looks pretty good overall. I was just hoping to get 2 chisels out of it, and I may only get 1. We'll see. Okay, so after all that twisting and pounding, this is the billet I'm left with. It's certainly not perfect, but it's better than last time I did this, and I've got a bigger billet to work with. I've got some imperfections. This side is actually pretty good. These next few wallops brought to you by a couple of people that were wondering if the base of my striking handle is stable enough. I'm going to be using an 8-pound hammer. Well, I feel good enough about the stability of this. The problem is, I think that big hammer might have upset one of my welds on the edge. Could mean it wasn't welded good to begin with. I don't know. These things are these things. I don't even know how long it's been since I put a little work into these twisted Damascus steel chisels. But it's time to try to pound these to their final shape. It's been so long they've even got a little rust on them from sitting up here. Been so busy working on the garage and whatnot. Alright, let's keep going. While those are heating up, these are roughly the final shapes I'm kind of shooting for. These two are the same one, just different angles. Besides just being busy, part of the reason I've been avoiding this just because I'm afraid if I don't use my preheated anvil, it's going to come apart. But today's a really warm day, so I'm going to try using old Bessie here and just be careful and pray nothing bad happens. Well, they've cooled off now. Next day. We're a little off the mark, but not too bad. This one's too big, which can be remedied. This one's just a hair bit smaller than the target, which is, well, it just is what it is. I'm going to go ahead and get these cleaned up and see what I'm working with. Okay, after a lot of cleanup and final etching, boom, here we go. There are the chisels. Anyway, due to the fact that I've got to deliver these tomorrow to their intended recipient, I'm done here. He's going to do his own handles, so there's going to be no handle part of this video. And the edges are there, the lines are there, you know, the bevels are there. It's all there. It's etched. It's ready to go. Logo is there. I don't know if you'll be able to see them in this light, but I think this one looks particularly good. I don't know if you can see the logo though. I don't know. WJ, I don't know. You'll probably see it better in the pictures.